Highest common factors, HCF. What is a factor? A factor is a number that divides exactly into another number, leaving no remainder. Kid-friendly explanation. Imagine numbers as groups of objects, like candies or blocks. A factor is a number that can fit evenly into that group, like sharing candies equally without any left over. Example: the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6 because each of these numbers divides 6 without any leftovers. What is a common factor? A common factor is a factor that two or more numbers share. What is a common factor? Kid-friendly explanation. If two friends both like certain flavors of ice cream, those shared flavors are like common factors. With numbers, if two numbers can both be divided by a certain number, it's a common factor. What is a common factor? Example: the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4 because these numbers can divide both 8 and 12 without leaving a remainder. What is the highest common factor, HCF? The highest common factor, HCF, is the biggest number that can divide two or more numbers exactly, without leaving a remainder. What is the highest common factor, HCF? Kid-friendly explanation. Out of all the common factors that two numbers have, the HCF is the largest one. Imagine it like finding the biggest block that fits perfectly in both groups. What is the highest common factor, HCF? Example: for 8 and 12, the common factors are 1, 2, and 4, but the highest common factor is 4. So, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Finding factors of a number. To find the HCF, we first need to know the factors of each number. Step 1. List all factors for each number. Example: for 12, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Example: for 18, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Finding common factors. Step 2. Look at both lists and find the factors that appear in both lists. Example: for 12 and 18, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Identifying the highest common factor. Step 3. Out of the common factors, choose the highest one. Example: for 12 and 18, the highest common factor is 6. So, the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Using a visual aid, Venn diagrams. Draw two circles that overlap. Label one circle for each number. Write the factors of each number inside the circles. Write the common factors in the overlapping part of the circles. The largest number in the overlapping area is the HCF. Using a visual aid, Venn diagrams. Example: draw a circle for 12 and a circle for 18, with an overlapping section. In the overlapping section, write 1, 2, 3, and 6, which are the common factors. The highest number in the overlapping section is 6, which is the HCF. Practical examples to reinforce learning. Example 1. Find the HCF of 16 and 24. Factors of 16 to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 24 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Common factors: 1, 2, 4, 8. HCF equals 8. Practical examples to reinforce learning. Example 1. Find the HCF of 16 and 24. Factors of 16 to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 24 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Common factors: 1, 2, 4, 8. HCF equals 8. Real-life application of HCF. Sharing equally. Imagine two friends with different numbers of candies, say 12 and 18. The HCF of these numbers tells us how many candies each friend can share equally without any left over. In this case, they can each share groups of 6. Real-life application of HCF. Simplifying fractions. Knowing the HCF is also helpful in simplifying fractions. For example, to simplify the fraction 12/18, we divide both the numerator, 12, and the denominator, 18, by their HCF, which is 6. This gives us 12 divided by 6 equals 2 and 18 divided by 6 equals 3, so 12/18 simplifies to 2/3.